Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best 3D printer that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Struggling with slow 3D printing that takes forever to finish even simple models? Or prints that come out messy because of poor leveling and weak extrusion? If your printer can't keep up with your ideas, it kills creativity and wastes time. That's exactly the problem the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is trying to fix. This is the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus 3D printer, a high-speed FDM printer built for large, fast, and precise 3D printing. The standout feature is its ultra-fast printing speed of up to 500 mm per second, which dramatically reduces print time compared to standard printers. It comes with a large build volume of 320 by 320 by 385 mm, making it ideal for big models or batch printing. The 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle allows you to work with a wider range of filaments like PLA, PTG, TPU, and even more advanced materials. A direct drive extruder improves filament control, especially for flexible materials. It also includes auto bed leveling, which helps ensure better first layer accuracy and reduces manual calibration hassle. Pros: extremely fast printing speed, large build area for big projects, strong material compatibility, auto leveling saves setup time. Cons: high-speed printing may require tuning for best quality. Larger size means it needs more workspace. Can be a bit complex for complete beginners. This printer is best for makers, hobbyists, engineers, and small business users who want fast prototyping or large-scale prints. If you're serious about production speed or big creative projects, this is a strong choice. At around $332, it offers excellent value for a high-speed, large-format 3D printer, especially for users upgrading from entry-level machines. Number 4. This is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer, a compact, fast, and beginner-friendly 3D printer with smart automation and multicolor capability. One of the biggest highlights is multicolor 3D printing support, allowing you to create more detailed and colorful models without manual painting. It offers high-speed printing with strong precision, making it ideal for both quick prototypes and detailed prints. Setup is extremely easy, you can get it running in about 20 minutes, even if you're a beginner. It includes full auto calibration, so bed leveling and tuning are handled automatically for consistent results. The active flow rate compensation helps improve print quality by adjusting material flow in real time. Despite its performance, it runs very quietly at around 48 dB, making it suitable for home or office use. Pros: easy and fast setup, excellent print quality for its size, multicolor printing support, fully automatic calibration, very quiet operation. Cons: small build volume compared to larger printers. Multicolor system may increase material waste. Not ideal for very large projects. This printer is perfect for beginners, students, hobbyists, and home users who want a hassle-free experience. It's also great for creators who want high-quality prints in a compact space without complicated setup. At around $300 to $400, it offers strong value thanks to its automation, speed, and multicolor capability in a compact, user-friendly package. Number 3. This is the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max, a large-format 13.6-inch 7K resin 3D printer built for ultra-detailed, high-precision printing. The biggest highlight is its 13.6-inch 7K high-resolution display, which delivers extremely fine detail, perfect for miniatures, prototypes, and detailed models. It uses COB Light Turbo 3.0 lighting technology, which provides powerful and uniform UV exposure for more accurate curing and smoother surfaces. The large build volume, 11.8 inches by 11.7 inches by 6.5 inches, lets you print big resin models or multiple smaller parts in one batch. It also features dynamic heating, which helps maintain stable resin temperature for consistent printing quality, even in changing environments. The flip-open cover design makes access easier and improves workflow during printing and maintenance. Pros: extremely high detail, 7K resolution, very large resin build volume, Strong and consistent UV curing system. Better stability with heating system. Great for batch printing. Cons. Resin printing requires cleaning and post-processing. Larger size needs more workspace. Consumables and maintenance cost are higher than FDM printers. This printer is ideal for miniature makers, tabletop gamers, jewelry designers, dental/model professionals, and serious hobbyists who need ultra-high detail and large resin capacity. At around $650, it's a premium resin printer, but the combination of 7K resolution, large build area, and advanced light system makes it strong value for professionals or advanced creators who need high detail production. Number 2. This is the Tina 2 Mini 3D printer by Hefy 3D, a compact, fully assembled beginner-friendly FDM printer designed for easy home and educational use. One of its biggest strengths is that it comes fully assembled, so you can start printing right out of the box with almost no setup. It includes auto leveling, which makes bed calibration simple and helps beginners avoid common first layer issues. The resume printing function is very useful. It can continue a print after a power outage or interruption. It also features a fully open source system, which is great for users who want to modify or learn from the machine. The removable flexible magnetic build plate makes it easy to take off finished prints without damage. Its compact mini design makes it ideal for small desks, classrooms, or tight spaces. Pros. Fully assembled, beginner-friendly. Very compact and lightweight. Auto leveling simplifies setup. Resume print feature adds reliability. Easy print removal with magnetic bed. Cons. Small build volume limits project size. Not suitable for advanced or large-scale printing. Slower and less powerful than mid-range printers. This printer is perfect for kids, beginners, students, and first-time 3D printing users who want a simple, safe, and affordable entry into 3D printing. At around $170, it's one of the most affordable entry-level 3D printers, offering great value for learning, experimenting, and small creative projects without complexity. Number 1. This is the FlashForge Adventurer 5M, a high-speed, smart-core XY 3D printer designed for both beginners and advanced users. The standout feature is its ultra-fast printing speed up to 600 mm per second, making it one of the faster printers in its class. It uses a Core XY structure, which improves stability and print precision even at high speeds. The printer includes a fully automatic leveling system, so setup is quick and hassle-free. A 280 degrees Celsius quick-detach nozzle allows easy maintenance and supports a variety of materials like PLA, PTG, TPU, and carbon fiber blends. It's designed as a smart plug-and-play system, making it suitable for both rookies and experienced makers. Pros. Very high printing speed, up to 600 mm per second. Stable Core XY motion system. Easy auto bed leveling. Quick nozzle changes for maintenance. Good material compatibility. Cons. Enclosed printing needed for ABS/ASA. High-speed printing may need tuning for best detail. Slightly limited advanced customization compared to open systems. This printer is ideal for makers, small businesses, engineers, and hobbyists who want fast prototyping with strong print quality and minimal setup hassle. At around $239, it offers excellent value for a 600 mm per second high-speed Core XY printer, making it one of the best budget performance options in its category. If you want fast, reliable 3D printing, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more 3D printer reviews.